this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're out driving our 86 Trans Am, just cruising about 60. There, just engaged in cruise. It works. Oh, I shut it off. So we'll hit it. So gauges. There we go. Got the cruise set. Nice driving car, 60,000 miles, pretty airtight, with T-tops and stuff. One family owned. There's your steering wheel. Just using one finger to drive it. Tack works, gauges all work. Only thing, I don't know, the radio just comes in kind of staticky, so I don't know if that's got a problem or if it's an antenna issue. Turn it on here. The antenna goes up, so. It just comes with static, so don't know. Probably about the only thing I know. It doesn't work. All the lights work. It said 60,297. I drove this car 40-50 miles. Runs, drives good. So any questions? 605-6